the outdoors. Water dripping. Bunch of snow on the ground. Cars. Over here. If you guys want to know, this is the outside of the... Wait, hold on. This is the outside of the trailer right here. There we go. And here is a stream. If you listen closely, you can actually hear water. I don't know if that picked up on the camera, but yep. And a sticker bush. Yee. Now over here, oh, it's cold out here. Over here is a bridge. You can go on it. See the water. Over here too. Pretty cool. Alright, and over here is a garage. Here's a little table set. Here's the back of the trailer. Little porch here. Over here's a garage. And inside of the garage is my Christmas present that Santa had given to me. Alright, so my voice might echo. It's a little bit dark in here because none of the light switches work. See? Nothing. And over here is my Christmas present that Santa had given me. It's a big trampoline, and you can tell that it's a big trampoline because that's a grown lady. And wow, that is a grown lady on that trampoline. Yeah. So, some other stuff here. Here's my scooter. I'll probably ride in the springtime. Oh yeah. Okay. This is pretty much it. The whole trailer. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And always turn on that notification bell. That's right down below. So yeah. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.